Spring is sprung, and with it comes a fresh wave of must-have products that are already flying off the shelves.
Yep, lifestyle and beauty expert Mickey Williams is here to dive into the must-have, sellout, and celebrity favorite beauty products for spring of 2024. Welcome back.
Hi.
You got lots of fun stuff for us today.
I do, and some of it's really cool. Like this particularly one, like some of these are like iconic, right?
Yes.
They are still continuing to break. You know, the people are rushing to them, and this is one of them. This is incredible. This is Cetaphil. This right here is their daily facial cleanser. This was designed in 1947, ladies.
That's crazy. It's so popular still.
Unbelievably clinically proven to deep clean and like effectively remove dirt and like excess oils and all your makeup, but without stripping your skin. It was actually designed for sensitive skin, and it's dermatologist backed, super dermatologist recommended.
Yes,
I remember,
all the time.
Yep, all the time.
I remember getting it recommended for my acne. So
My son uses it. He's got very sensitive skin. He's a teenager, and it's dry. So.
And back when they gave samples, they actually would give you a sample. Here, try
this.
Because
Yes.
you know they don't do that anymore.
Well, the formula is derm backed. It has the B5, B3, and it also has like hydrating glycerin. So I think that's why, because it's not stripping the skin, but it's also keeping it nice and balanced. I love the brand, and I mean, come on, it's price effective. Look at the size of that.
Yeah, that's a lot.
It's incredible, and that's the
Very
reason why it's still a consumer favorite.
Yeah.
All right, this is one of my favorites.
Yes,
I mean,
a very different
have to
cleanser,
have
mind
it.
you, too.
Yeah.
This is Garnier, and we both agree this is probably one of the most best ways for us to get our makeup off, our eye makeup off specifically. This is Garnier's Micellar Cleansing Water. This is the all-in-one makeup remover and cleanser. I love this product because, first of all, it's America's #1 micellar water because one is sold every 2 seconds.
2 seconds.
Is that
Wow.
crazy?
That is crazy.
I know, it's unbelievable. But how micelles work is they actually they create like a little magnet, and it just kind of like draws in,
Yes,
the dirt, and
All
it
the
lifts
makeup
away.
stuff, too.
And it's just so easy. And I love these pads. We were talking about these
Yeah,
pads.
they're
You just
great.
use them, and then you rinse them, and you're not using all this extra product. And it's also officially approved by Leaping Bunny, so it's a clean product. It's just a beautiful product.
Yeah.
Leaping Bunny.
You know, I've seen a little bunny on the packaging.
No.
It's animal cruelty free.
Yeah, cruelty-free, everything. It's just a good product.
Yeah.
I like it because it's affordable and it takes it away.
I like
All
that.
right,
Okay.
I like it because it works.
And that's the reason why
One of
we
my
got so-
favorites.
Yes.
And again, another product, iconic product. Now I primed those for you to play with them.
I didn't know this has been around that long.
Yes, 2 decades. This is Temps. This is their original. This right here is their herbal body moisture. I love this product. Okay,
It
first of all,
smells
what
so
is that
good.
scent? It's just incredible. Whoopsie!
that's okay.
I knocked over the next one.
That's okay.
But what's so incredible about this product is it has shea butter. It has 100% hemp seed oil. And what I also love about this product too is that it has a very lasting hydration to it. It just lasts. And it's antioxidant rich. It has the ginger root extract. I mean, it's the first ever product that Hemp's ever made, and it's still their top selling product. You can get it at
super
Ulta,
soft.
apparently. Everyone's like, you can always find it at Ulta. I just like the product too because it's that size of that container. It's like so big. It's still
Affordable.
top selling. 2 decades later, you can trust that kind of information.
Love that. Okay. Rapid Lash.
Sydney Sweeney just said Sydney Sweeney is the biggest it girl right now. She just blasted that she uses this. She can't live without it. She's absolutely obsessed, and it just went bonkers once again. This is Rapid Lash. This is their eyelash enhancing serum. I knocked them all over. Sorry about that. But they also have the brow serum. What's great about this is it has the hexatine 1 complex, which is really just an incredible. It's like 6 ingredients that really hydrate. And they really and truly just condition your lashes, and they enhance the lashes you have, and it's just an
Makes it look-
unbelievable product, right?
Okay.
And so what happens is in the winter months, their lashes get really dry. Guys are really gravitated to this product too.
Interesting.
It works on both, and it's great. You just use it once a day. And what's really incredible about it too is that, once she talked about this product, everybody was like, oh my God, they started chiming in too, how much they love the product. 6 to 8 weeks, you're gonna see something. You can use it on lash extensions. What I love about this product is it's $49.99, which is actually really affordable for a lash product.
Yeah.
But you also get it at CVS.
Okay.
And this one you
So-
put actually on your eyelashes, not necessarily your eyelid, which is a lot of other ones where you kind of line.
there's, and what this is just making the lashes that you have so incredibly hydrated and conditioned, and they're just really helping the appearance of your natural lashes.
Oh, that's
I
cool.
love this product, and you easily, and obviously Sydney Sweeney does too. So,
All right, so now we're moving into quiet luxury.
which is my new favorite. I love it.
Luxury.
Quiet luxury. These brands. I'm sorry, I'm like knocking you over. Okay, first of all, this is St. Jane Beauty. This product, this line is quiet luxury, which means it's just one of those cult favorites, celebrity followed. I'm obsessed with this. This is unbelievable product right here. This is their Luxury Sun Ritual. This is a pore smoothing SPF 30. This product, you can get it at Sephora.
Oh, okay.
This
Has
is
a
such a
tint to
celeb
it.
favorite.
Yeah, a
It's
little
such
bit.
an incredible primer. I love this because it blurs all the lines right there, but you have the SPF protection. It's just kind of like an all-in-one product in one step.
cool.
Did you try it on your hand?
No, because it has a tint to it.
No. The tint is a blur smoothing.
Oh.
So it doesn't matter what your skin
Everybody
color?
was using this all over the red carpet. It just goes right in. Can you
Oh,
see
see,
that?
oh, no, I
It is
can't.
absolutely gorgeous. And what I like about this is you can put it over your makeup if you want to reapply your SPF, but you can also wear it under it. You can layer it. They're really known for their serum, but I'm so excited as a makeup artist to start playing with this product. And you know what? I thought with a Quiet Luxury it was going to be a fortune. It's $38. You can get it at Sephora, and that's a lot in that too, believe it or not.
that's not
Love
bad.
that product.
And what's this?
That's actually their serum.
Nice.
This is what they're known for,
Cinnamon.
and I'm also very excited to try that out too.
Okay.
Okay, and last but not least, this is Retrove. This is a gender-neutral products are the biggest rage right now.
Okay.
This product has such a celebrity following that everybody is touting it. These are unpaid celebrity endorsements, right?
Yeah.
And this product is really great. This is their nutrient face serum. What this is really doing is it's just basically focusing on hydration and nourishing. It's a water-based serum, okay? So meaning it's just gonna go right into your skin. It's gonna be packed with all of these, multifaceted formula with vitamin C. It has white tea, it has pomegranate in it. It's so clean, this product.
Yeah, it
but
soaks
it's
in
really
fast.
incredible if you have like a little bit of oily skin or you're really starting to see, it's a great anti-aging product. This product
Talking
is
my language.
such a celebrity endorsed product, again, without any kind of compensation or whatever. Everyone is going and flushing to this product. You can
Soaks
get
in really fast.
It soaks in really. It's water based.
Yeah.
It's such a beautiful product that we're going to see so much from this brand because it is like the quiet luxury darling, but also because celebrities are just like going crazy over it. So,
I love this,
And if they have all the
Mickey.
money in the world to spend on anything,
Then
right?
they're buying
Then you're
that.
buying what works.
That's true. All right, sharetheglam.com is Mickey's website. You get some more tips and tricks and some fun stuff. Thanks, Mickey.
All right, thanks, Mickey.
Bye.